You're gonna make Swiss steak tonight, okay? Chopped 2 cloves of garlic, 1 full onion, 3 carrots. I decided to add carrots because fuck it, I love carrots. 2 teaspoons of each of these guys. I patted the Swiss steak down with some flour, put it in the skillet on medium heat for 10 minutes. It is done. Taking it off, I'm gonna let it sit. I'm gonna add everything I just chopped up into the pan. I know I said 2 teaspoons, but honestly, I just like to throw shit in there. And then margarine. Looks good to me. Medium heat, 10 minutes. These are looking good. Take 3/4 a can of tomato sauce. I measured it out already. And then your wonderful steak. Hell fucking yeah. Make sure it's sopping wet with that moisture. Cover it. Drink gin and tonic. 1.5 hours later. Serve with bread. Eat.